We are pleased to show you the 2017 Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the MINI Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, rain sensing wipers, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, low tire pressure warning. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.